just come on to show you these marvellous books that I've just got hold of for absolutely not a penny. Was on our local reuse group, and lady had put these bundles of books on. She said, oh, you know, they're not worth selling. I don't think she's got any idea about what we do as like junk journalists, what we do with these. So there's this one here, and it's called London Society. It's got a lovely embossed cover. It's literally fallen to bits, which I don't mind. So February, that's obviously the start of it, but I don't know, I think there's pages missing, so I'm not quite sure how old it is, but I think it's pretty old. And obviously the spine is there, which I can repair, I'm hoping. And look, it's even got writing in there. I think that's where that's from. Yeah, it is London Society. I'll have to look it up actually. And that's the back, but the pages are going to go in journals, and it's been kind of, is it gold leafed, gold trimmed on the edges. So that was that one, and it's literally, you can see it's fallen to bits. So I was going to go on the shelf for a little while I look at them. This is obviously been repaired with some form of tape. I'm not sure what type. I don't know if it's bookbinding tape or not. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a dictionary. You can see that there's some, oh, that's just a piece of paper in there. Somebody's name. Let's see if there is a date. Not quite sure, but you can see that's fallen to bits as well. Original edition is 1901, latest reprint was 1931, so not quite sure again, but love it. Then I'll put that back in there. Don't normally show things like this, but this is a Bible. Again, falling to bits, covered in dust. Don't know when that was, 1954. So that's quite a bit. I don't tend to use Bibles. I'm not really religious, but I personally don't think they should be like ripped up and stuff like that. But I may with this one. It's got no personal attachments to me, and all those little notes in there. Where's that from? 19 something. It doesn't really sit, that's hard to say. I think it's 54, but how cool is that? I have got Bibles that were family members, and they obviously, I would never do anything with them. You can tell they've put that on so they know what it is. London John Murray 1861. That's really old as well. I've just done a little funny drawing. Probably kids got hold of that and done that. 1861. Wow, never read anything that old. I mean, my grandkids think I'm old. I was born in 1972. I saw just some crafters. I think I mentioned in a video the other day. Somebody said, oh, this lovely vintage page from 1972. I know it is classed as vintage. I can't actually see what that says. It's embossed. I can't see what that says either. Really hard to see. Something realms. Might actually say, there we go. I think that's what it's saying on the outside. So I believe this is Welsh. I think. I'm sure somebody will tell me. So 1951. So this is music. Oh, this little, oops. Just wondering why that was what it is. Yeah, it's definitely Welsh. So I'm just saying it's not Welsh, but I think it is. So that's a play around with as well. This again, falling to bits, but love it. Love the covers. They can all be gonna make some. Look at that. That's amazing. Make some journals out of the covers, and obviously use the pages in. I don't know what this is because I think there's bits missing. There is bits missing, but I can look that up. See if there's a bit in the back. It's obviously religious of some sort, I think. So there's that, lovely embossed. And then this one, covers are not attached, but look at them, beautiful. Look at that, and let's just come off. I don't know what that says. Somebody Joseph, and it says 82. Don't know. Let's have a little look if there's any dates. Really, 1870. Wow, that's amazing to actually get hold of that. Sorry about the thumping noise there, but look how cool that is, and how the pages correspond with the inside and the inside covers. So that was my little lucky haul, because like I said, I didn't pay a penny for it. Lady said if nobody wanted them, she was gonna ditch them. They were going to the dump. I was like, no, they're not. I'm having them, please. So there we go. Hopefully I'll get round to doing something with them sometime soon. There's a little bit of the book club that's come away. But yeah, how cool were them books? So thanks for watching. Bye.